I was not prepared for how good these two are. This one right here, the lumbar support right here, kind of like for the lower back area, and this one for your neck. These are both really good for driving for long distances. These are fantastic. Or if you drive like every day, these are good too. But they are like really, really fluffy. These are like super fluffy. Oof. Once that you adapt this posture over here, oh, right here on the lower back area and then the neck as well, these are really good. Let me show you how fluffy they are. So you get this one right here that comes with a strap that you're gonna put on the back. Take a look at this. Take a look at how, oh, this is so, so nice. This is super, super nice. But also, you get this one over here, which is even fluffier. Kind of like, I wanna say that this one is even better. Take a look at how nice this one is too. But yeah, these two in combination, this really nice memory foam ones, these are the best one for driving for long distances or just driving every day. Totally, totally recommend it.